Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to put Twitch link to Roblox profile on PC and Mac. What you need to do, first just go to Twitch and then just go to your channel and then just copy your username. After that, go to Roblox and then click in the setting icon and then settings. And then just scroll down and here Twitch, just paste the link. And then just click save. This is what you need to do if you want to put Twitch link to Roblox profile on PC and Mac. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.